So I'm using the humidifier now. I just added like half of that liter, 3.75, like half of that 1 gallon. It looks really cool to watch, and I can kind of feel the humidity, and I can smell it too. It still had a little vinegar in it, but I just put water anyways. I don't smell the vinegar. And then see, it's like constantly changing humidity levels. Before it was at 30 something before I turned it on to show you the video, and now it's at 40. You can turn this off, I think. So like you can press and hold that button, the nighttime button. It won't change the setting, it'll just turn this display off so that you don't see the light. And turn it back on. You can also have a timer on it. 8 hours, 10 hours. You can also put on auto, and I think it'll cycle through different humidity levels for you. And then you can change from cool air or warm air up here. So see that? That's gonna be warm. I'm gonna turn that auto off.
Pennsylvania, and it's super focused on, she also recommends